Hello students, we now know what is triple integration. So one of the major application of triple integration is to find volume of solids. Okay, in the starting part we already have learned what is formula for volume. In the last video, if you check it, you may find that we also have evaluated volume for tetrahedron. So here also, so what is volume? Volume is nothing but triple integration dx dy dz. Okay, now what we'll do here, when we'll evaluate, we'll first give preference to evaluation of z. Okay, so we'll check what are the limits of z, and we will evaluate the integral first with respect to z within the limits of z1 z2. Okay, then from this we will get an equation of the given surface, and then double integration, we will perform double integration with respect to x and y, and this integration is performed over the area of projection of the given solid on the xy plane. Okay, मतलब क्या करेंगे, we will first check what is the limits for z with respect to z. We'll evaluate, and when we once we evaluate, we will be left with double integration. वो double integration कैसे solve करोगे, जो भी तुम्हारा solid होगा उसका डबल उसका 2 डायमेंशंस का प्रोजेक्शन देखेंगे. ओके, एंड दैट प्रोजेक्शन, based on that projection we will evaluate. Okay, so now let us see few more formulas. If given as rho is equal to f of x y z is a density of a solid at some point p x y z, then the mass of solid is given as triple integration rho dx dy dz. Okay, or you can write it as triple integral f of x y z dx dy dz. Okay, this was in Cartesian. How do we express in polar? In spherical polar coordinate system, triple integration dx dy dz is replaced as r square sine theta dr d theta d phi, whereas in cylindrical polar system it is converted as rho dr d rho d phi dz, where if we want to consider in elliptical polar system or for an ellipsoid, how do we write? It will become v equal to triple integral abc r square sine theta dr d theta d phi. Okay, now we have जो भी हम करेंगे, we will consider for the solid and accordingly evaluate. Let us see for an example. Now the question says, find the volume of the region enclosed by the cone z equal to root x square plus y square and a paraboloid z equal to x square plus y square. Okay, now what is a paraboloid? Basically paraboloids are of two types. One is elliptic paraboloid and one is hyperbolic paraboloid. Now we will be considering elliptic paraboloid only whenever we will be solving examples. Well, so what is elliptic paraboloid? Elliptic paraboloid, if you can see an ellipse shape type. Okay, and it is given as equation of elliptic paraboloid is given as x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 2z upon c. And if you see, this is a hyperbolic paraboloid given as equation x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 2z upon c, because it is of hyperbolic type shape. Okay, hyperbolic paraboloid, if you want, you can also check this, such as a hyperbolic paraboloid. Okay, so now we will be considering a elliptic paraboloid only. So what is the region given? You are asked for a region enclosed by a paraboloid and a cone. So if you observe an elliptic paraboloid and cone, and so this will be the region which is enclosed by the paraboloid, cone and a paraboloid. Okay, so what does our procedure say? Procedure says first we'll integrate with respect to z. तो अभी हमें z के लिमिट्स देखने, तो z के लिमिट्स कहाँ से कहाँ तक जाएंगे? Z will go from this paraboloid to this cone, right? So मतलब z की इक्वेशन क्या है? Paraboloid equation, that is x square plus y square and up to the cone, that is root x square plus y square. Means मेरा वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला क्या है? ट्रिपल इंटीग्रल dx dy dz. So it will become double integral, third integral, that is with respect to z, limits हो गए x square plus y square to root x square plus y square dz dx dy. Okay, So first we'll integrate with respect to z and then with respect to x and y. So with respect to z, when we integrate, we'll get the equation as double integral a root x square plus y square minus x square plus y square dx dy. Okay, now y I have written as r. Now this is a double integral will be evaluated over the region of projection of this term. Okay, so if you observe this cone, if I project this on a 2-dimensional sheet, क्या मिलेगा? ये देखोगे तो एक quadrant में मिलेगा, means this, if I observe, this will be one part. ओके ऐसे ही दूसरे साइड पे मतलब एक पार्ट है होगा, दिस साइड विल बी वन पार्ट एंड दिस साइड विल बी अनदर पार्ट. मीन्स इफ यू ऑब्जर्व अ प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ सर्कल. ओके, सो सर्कल मतलब if you want, you can also evaluate, you can get the region and from evaluating the given equations. गिवन इक्वेशंस मेरे क्या है? z इक्वल टू रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर, z इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. सो सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर एनी वन ऑफ द इक्वेशन इन द अदर एंड इवेल्युएट. तो इफ यू इवेल्युएट, ये स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स मुझे क्या देगा? एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर. मतलब एक टर्म कैंसिल होगी, रहेगी क्या इक्वेशन? एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. दैट इज नथिंग बट द सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस 1. ओके, मीन्स प्रोजेक्शन क्या होने वाला है? इसका एक सर्कल होने वाला है ऑन 2 dimensions. ओके, सो व्हाट विल डू, विल प्रेफर prefer the evaluation by transferring to polar coordinates. So polar coordinates मतलब x square plus y square को substitute क्या करोगे? r square dx dy will be replaced as r dr d theta. What will be the limits? Now either you can take it the theta as from 0 to 2 pi whole for whole region, or you can consider for one quadrant 0 to pi by 2 multiplied by 4 for the whole circle. Okay, so I consider theta as limits as theta varies from 0 to pi by 2 and r varies from 0 to 1. So 4 times, because I am considering for one quadrant only, so 4 times integral 0 to pi by 2 integral 0 to 1, this will become root r square minus root r square r dr d theta. Okay, first evaluate with respect to r, then with respect to theta, or if you want, you can evaluate with respect to theta and with respect to r simultaneously, because if you observe in r there is no function of theta, so they are not dependent. This term is not dependent, so you can just evaluate both simultaneously also. So evaluating this equation, we will observe the volume of the region enclosed by the cone and the paraboloid is pi by 6. Okay, so let us move on to one more example. Now the question says find the volume of the region bounded by z equal to x square plus y square and z equal to 2x. Z equal to x square plus y square is nothing but a cone again, and then what is given? Z equal to 2x, that is a plane. So if you want, how is this region actually? If you observe, sorry, it's not it is not a cone, it's a paraboloid. So paraboloid, when it cuts by a plane, so if you observe, this will be the region. Okay, yes, और इसका projection क्या होने वाला है? Projection एक होने वाला है circle on x axis. Okay, you will get a projection on as a circle on x axis. Okay, such will be the thing. So क्या करोगे? z के लिमिट्स देखोगे, z कहाँ से कहाँ तक जाएगा? Obviously ये कट हुआ है, but actually that is a paraboloid, it's cut, so obviously paraboloid है and this is a plane. Okay, so क्या होगा? x square plus y square to 2x will be the limits of z. So with respect to z, when you integrate, we'll get the equation as double integral 2x minus x square plus y square dx dy. Now what is this region R? This is the region R of the projection of this term where the plane is cutting the paraboloid. Okay, वो projection क्या होने वाला है? By diagramming, if you observe, it is going to be a circle. If you want, you can evaluate it from the equation. Just substitute one of the equation in the other. We have z equal to x square plus y square, we have z equal to 2x. If I substitute in the equation, I get an equation as x square plus y square equal to 2x. Okay, that is nothing but x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to 1, which is a circle with center 1, 0 and radius 1. Okay, so such will be the circle. So again we will solve the circle by transforming it to polar coordinates. So what will be the polar? For polar coordinates, replace x as r cos theta, y as r sin theta, dx dy will be replaced as r dr d theta. तो यहाँ पे इस इक्वेशन का रेडियल फॉर्म क्या होगा? r, it will give us equation of radius as r equal to 2 theta, means r will vary from 0 to 2 cos theta, whereas theta will vary from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. But instead of calculating for whole term, I will consider for 0 to pi by 2, within 0 to pi by 2 multiplied by 2 will give the we give the value for whole region. Means अब ये इंटीग्रल क्या होगा? 2 times 0 to pi by 2, 0 to 2 cos theta, ये हो जाएगा 2r cos theta का minus r square r into dx dy as r dr d theta. So what if you observe here, r के लिमिट्स में cos theta है, so we'll first integrate it with respect to r and then with respect to theta. So integrating first with respect to r, ये हो जाएगा 2 cos theta constant, r square का integration r cube by 3, r cube का integration r raised to 4 by 3 within the limits 0 to 2 cos theta. So we got observe the equation as integral 0 to pi by 2, 16 cos to the power 4 theta upon 3 minus 4 into cos to the power 4 theta d theta. Okay, evaluating this integral by reduction formulae, we get the value of the volume enclosed by the region bounded by a paraboloid and a plane as pi by 2. Let us see one more example. Find a volume bounded by the sphere equation given as x square plus y square plus z square equal to 4 and the paraboloid x square plus y square equal to 3z. Okay, you are given a sphere whose center is origin and radius is 2. Okay, and you are given a paraboloid. Okay, so if you first part we'll prefer always drawing so that हमें region क्या है actually समझ में आ जाएगा. So if you observe, this is a circle. Now we need to check where does this paraboloid and a sphere intersect. So what do? We equate these equations from the equations. We check what is the point of intersection. So if I substitute the z equation x square plus y square value as 3z in this equation and evaluate, I observe z is equal to 1 and z is equal to minus 4. Okay, अभी z equal to minus 4 मतलब ये negative side में जा रहा है, so we'll not consider that point. We'll consider the positive side only. So positive side मतलब z equal to 1. So we observe at z equal to 1, you can say at plane z equal to 1, this two regions, two different, you can say, solids are intersecting. Okay, means a paraboloid and a sphere intersect at z equal to 1. Okay, so how will you observe that region? मतलब actually bounded region क्या होगा intersection? Such will be the region. Okay, so if you observe, this is a sphere, actually this is a paraboloid, it is intersecting, मतलब total region bounded क्या होगा? ये sphere और ये paraboloid के बीच में का ये सारा region will be the bounded region. So how will z it vary? Z will vary from this paraboloid to this sphere equation. Means limits क्या होंगे? The limits will be x square plus y square. Z is x square plus y square upon 3 paraboloid equation, and sphere की equation क्या है? Z in the form of z has root 4 minus x square minus y square. Means the limits for z will be x square plus y square by 3 to root 4 minus x square minus y square dz dx dy. So integrating with respect to z, I get the equation as double integral root 4 minus x square minus y square minus x square plus y square upon 3. Okay, now अभी ये रीजन जो है r है, डबल इंटीग्रल जो है वो कैसे इवेल्युएट करना है? फ्रॉम द प्रोजेक्शन. सो व्हाट विल बी द प्रोजेक्शन? सो इफ यू ऑब्जर्व, इफ दिस इज कटिंग एट अ इंटरसेक्शन एट अ प्लेन z इक्वल टू 1, मतलब यही पूरा रीजन इफ यू प्रोजेक्ट इट विल बी नथिंग बट अ सर्कल. सो सच विल बी द प्रोजेक्शन, दैट इज नथिंग बट अ सर्कल. और इफ यू ओके, सो सर्कल मिला है. सर्कल अभी मतलब क्या होगा? बेस्ड ऑन द स्पीयर, मतलब इसका रेडियस क्या हो जाएगा? सर्कल का रेडियस होगा रूट 3. सो वी गेट एन वी ट्रांसफॉर्म इट इनटू पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट्स टू सॉल्व. टू इवेल्युएट, सो पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट्स में ट्रांसफॉर्म करना मतलब एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर की इक्वेशन सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे आर स्क्वायर, dx dy will be replaced as r dr d theta. How will r vary? R will range from 0 to root 3 and theta will vary from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, 0 to 2 pi, instead of considering for 0 to 2 pi, I'll consider only for first quadrant 0 to pi by 2. Multiplied by 4, you will get the value for whole region. So wow, equation finally क्या मिलेगा? 4 times integral 0 to pi by 2 integral 0 to root 3. This will become root 4 minus r square minus r square by 3 into r dr d theta. We will first evaluate with respect to r, then with respect to theta. If you want, you can go on with simultaneously because there is no function of theta in the limits of r. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या होगा equation? This will become, when you multiply by r, ये होगा r times 4 minus r root 4 minus r square dr minus ये होगा r cube by r square है तो r cube by 3. So further evaluating, substituting 4 minus r square equal to t in first term of this integral, I'll substitute here 4 minus r square equal as t. So as r range from 0 to root 3, t will range from 4 to 1. This will become 4 to 1 root t into dr replaced as minus dt by 2. Because it is minus, I can just interchange the limits. So you get 1 to 4 root t dt and this r cube by 3. Evaluating over the particular integrals, I will limits, I will get the value as 7 by 3 minus 9 by 12. And also if you observe here, we have integral 0 to pi by 2 d theta. Okay, evaluate this separately, iski value pi by 2 mil jayegi. So finally the value I obtained for this volume of the region bounded by a sphere and a paraboloid is 19 pi by 60.